Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're unboxing the OneOdio Wired Over-Ear Headphones, perfect for studio monitoring, mixing, and DJing. Let's dive right in. Inside the box, we've got the headphones themselves, along with a DJ-style coiled cord that stretches up to 9.8 feet and both 6.35 mm and 3.5 mm detachable plugs. No more worrying about adapters. Another cool feature is the 90-degree swiveling ear cups, perfect for single-ear monitoring. Whether you're in the studio or just enjoying your music, these headphones provide a fatigue-free listening experience. So, there you have it, the OneOdio Wired Over-Ear Headphones, built for comfort, durability, and most importantly, amazing sound quality. If you're serious about your audio, these are the headphones you've been looking for. Unleash the power of sound with OneOdio Wired Over-Ear Headphones, crafted for the ultimate audio experience. Feel the bass. With 50mm neodymium drivers, experience powerful bass, crystal clear vocals, and crisp high tones like never before. Designed for all-day comfort, soft padded ear cushions provide noise isolation, while the adjustable headband gives you the perfect fit, no matter how long you listen. Versatility at its finest. Whether you're mixing, mastering, or just enjoying your favorite tracks, the OneOdio headphones adapt to your needs with a DJ-style cord, 90-degree swiveling ear cups, and dual plug options. Elevate your sound. OneOdio Wired Over-Ear Headphones, where quality meets comfort. Available in different colors. Mine is dark blue. Get yours today and comment me your favorite color. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more unboxings and reviews.